In this video, I'll walk you through how to participate in XWell Launchpool on Bybit. So Bybit will be launching this token Launchpool, and you'll be able to farm this token for free for a period of days. Bybit specified to farm this, and this is one of the best way to make money in crypto. Farm this token freely with this MNT in this pool and get free token. So this is how launch pool work. You'll be able to farm this token. If you have USDT, you can stake your USDT and you'll be able to share this price of this token right here. And right here, one thing you want to do is press register to participate. See, you have successfully registered for this event. Get ready to stake MNT and USDT to grab a piece of the price pool when the staking began. So now the staking is going to start in 1 day and 21 hours and 27 minutes and few seconds, and the listing starts in the same time, and you'll be able to stake in this pool right here. Use the same token to farm this token, and you'll be able to use this MNT in this pool. If you don't have this token, you can go to the market and buy this token. And averagely, if you don't have this USDT, you need to have USDT to be able to stake. So once these stakes open, you'll be able to select any token you have to farm this token. You press open, and once this button right here is available, you'll be able to stake this token and wait, and you will be able to claim your token once you have reward to claim. So that's how to participate in this event. And if you don't want to miss a update about crypto and how to earn money in crypto and how to navigate in crypto, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. Let me know what you think about this token in the comment section, and I will be there to reply you. And if you want me to talk about any other projects, let me know in the comment section. See you on the next video.